Are you dreaming of a brighter financial future? Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about unexpected expenses, where you can afford the things you love, and where your financial goals are within reach. This isn't just a dream, it's a possibility that you can achieve with the right planning and mindset. Do you long for the peace of mind that comes with financial security? Picture yourself enjoying a stress-free life, knowing that your finances are in order, whether it's taking a family vacation, buying a new home, or simply having a cushion for emergencies. Financial security brings a sense of calm and confidence. It's time to take control. Taking control of your financial future means making informed decisions today that will benefit you tomorrow. It means understanding your income, expenses, and savings, and making a plan that aligns with your goals. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. Financial planning is the key. It's not just about budgeting, it's about creating a roadmap for your financial journey. This roadmap includes setting short-term and long-term goals, understanding investment options, and knowing how to manage debt effectively. With a solid financial plan, you can navigate through life's uncertainties with confidence. It's the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. Think of financial planning as the bridge that connects your current financial situation to your future aspirations. Whether you want to buy a house, start a business, or retire comfortably, a well-thought-out plan can help you get there. By taking charge of your finances, you can achieve your dreams and secure a comfortable future. It's about making smart choices such as saving regularly, investing wisely, and avoiding unnecessary debt. These choices will pave the way for a future where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor without financial stress. It's never too early or too late to start planning for your financial future. Whether you're a young professional just starting out or someone nearing retirement, the principles of financial planning apply to everyone. The earlier you start, the more time you have to grow your wealth. But even if you're starting later in life, there are still steps you can take to improve your financial situation. Whether you're just starting your career or approaching retirement, the principles remain the same. It's about understanding your financial situation, setting realistic goals, and taking consistent actions to achieve them. This might involve creating a budget, building an emergency fund, or investing in a retirement account. By making smart choices today, you can build a solid foundation for a secure tomorrow. Every financial decision you make today has the potential to impact your future. By prioritizing savings, reducing debt, and making informed investment choices, you can create a stable financial foundation that will support you in the years to come. Remember, financial peace isn't about being rich. It's about having control over your money and your life. True financial peace comes from knowing that you have a plan in place, that you're prepared for the unexpected, and that you're making progress towards your goals. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and aspirations, without being held back by financial constraints. Let's face it, the economic landscape can feel like a roller coaster. Inflation is rising, making it harder to make ends meet. The stock market can be volatile, leaving investors feeling uncertain. But don't let these challenges discourage you. Knowledge is power. By understanding the economic forces at play, you can make informed decisions about your money. Remember, every challenge presents an opportunity. By staying informed and adapting to changing conditions, you can navigate uncertainty and come out ahead. Don't bury your head in the sand. Face your financial fears head-on and take control. What does financial independence mean to you? For some, it's early retirement. For others, it's the freedom to pursue their passions without worrying about money. Whatever your definition, financial independence is achievable. It starts with understanding the key components: savings, investments, and passive income. Imagine this. You wake up each morning without the dread of going to a job you hate. Your money is working for you, generating passive income that covers your expenses. This is the power of financial independence. It's not about being rich, it's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. Section 4. Crafting your financial blueprint, steps to success. Ready to build your path to financial freedom? It all begins with a solid foundation, and that foundation is your financial plan. It starts with a plan. A well-thought-out plan is like a blueprint for a house. It provides structure and direction. Think of it as your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. Without a roadmap, it's easy to get lost or take unnecessary detours. The first step is to assess your current financial situation. This means taking a close look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Where do you stand financially? Be honest with yourself. Understanding your starting point is crucial for setting realistic goals. Next, set clear and specific financial goals. These goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Do you want to retire early? Buy a house? Each goal will have its own set of steps and timeline. Invest in your children's education? Consider the long-term benefits and the steps needed to achieve these milestones. Write down your goals and establish a timeline for achieving them. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Now it's time to create a budget. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you manage your money effectively. Track your income and expenses, and make sure you know where your money is going each month. Identify areas where you can cut back, such as dining out or subscription services you no longer use, and allocate funds towards your goals. Prioritize your spending to ensure you're making progress towards your financial objectives. Remember, a budget is not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about spending in alignment with your values and priorities. By taking control of your finances, you can reduce stress and build a more secure future. So, start today and take the first step towards financial success. Section 5. Building your nest egg, retirement planning strategies. Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of financial stability and peace of mind in your later years. It's about ensuring that you have enough resources to live comfortably and pursue your passions without financial stress. Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to build a substantial nest egg. Starting early allows you to take advantage of various financial tools and strategies that can significantly boost your savings over time. The power of compound interest is remarkable. By reinvesting your earnings, your money can grow exponentially. Even small, regular contributions can lead to significant growth over the years. This is why starting early is so beneficial. It gives your investments more time to compound and grow. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Investing in a diversified portfolio can help mitigate risks and maximize returns. It's important to regularly review and adjust your investment strategy to align with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs and contribute consistently. These accounts offer tax advantages that can help your savings grow faster. Make sure to understand the contribution limits and rules for each type of account to maximize your benefits. Don't forget about healthcare costs. Healthcare is one of the largest expenses in retirement, and it's essential to plan for it. Medicare can help, but it doesn't cover everything. Out-of-pocket expenses can add up quickly, so it's crucial to have a plan in place. As you age, healthcare expenses tend to increase. Regular checkups, medications, and potential long-term care can be costly. It's important to factor these costs into your retirement plan to avoid any financial surprises. Factor these costs into your retirement plan. Consider long-term care insurance, which can help cover the costs of assisted living, nursing homes, and in-home care. This type of insurance can provide peace of mind and protect your savings from being depleted by healthcare expenses, or explore options like health savings accounts, or HSAs. HSAs offer triple tax advantages. Contributions are tax-deductible, earnings grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. They can be a valuable tool for managing healthcare costs in retirement. Finally, remember the impact of inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. What seems like a substantial amount today may not be enough to cover your expenses in the future. Your money won't have the same purchasing power in the future. It's important to account for inflation in your retirement planning. Consider investments that have the potential to outpace inflation, such as stocks or real estate. Adjust your retirement savings goals accordingly. Regularly review your retirement plan and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Working with a financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning and ensure that you're making the best decisions for your future. Section 6. Weathering the storm, overcoming financial obstacles. The road to financial freedom is rarely smooth. You'll encounter bumps along the way, market volatility, economic downturns, unexpected expenses. But don't panic. These obstacles are surmountable. The key is to be prepared. Establish an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This safety net will provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when unexpected events occur. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk.